Hi, what's up, guys? Welcome back to another interesting video. So, DFS, today I have bring another awesome crypto project that have a massive technical insight, and I will explain each and everything related to this amazing project. That how can you participate and buy it when it will be launched. So, don't skip any part of this video. So, before going to start further review, I would request you, if you are a new on my YouTube channel, Amy Crypto, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification of all upcoming videos notifications. So let's start the review now. So dear friends, welcome to Fiasco. Is a debacle, is a fiasco. So in a world where they keep showing the great reset down or thoughts, Fiasco token is a like a breath of fresh air, or should I say a playful jab at the whole idea of control economy. So, as a playful critic, a light-hearted participant in conversations about the Great Reset, Fiasco Token offer a decentralized line-forward approach to reimagine economical interactions in the digital age. So you will own nothing and be happy. A decentralized meme token that embodies the whimsicality of internet culture while taking a playful job at the concept of the great reset as well. Here you can also check that first laughable agenda community meme token. Here you can also check out the token information. Token name is Fiasco and also symbol is Fiasco. The maximum supply is mentioned here. And DFS, you can also check that they have a fair and safe, no pre-sale, no insider, fixed 1 billion supply, fully audited and unrogable, buy and sell at any time, and ownership renounced as well. So 80% is up for the liquidity and 10% for marketing, partnership, airdrop, and 10% for development as well. So the amazing token with great information here, and you can also check out its contract address and defense. Their project will be very soon launched on Radium. So on 15th July 2024 at 6:30 GMT 5 time it will be launched on Radium. Then you will be able to swap on Radium and you will be able to hold it, and later you can sold and make a lot of passive income as well. Now reset the meme narrative plan for long-term development of the ecosystem, which will allow into a worthless experiment. Here you can also do preserve. So in future you can preserve X amount of Fiasco token for X period of time to get access into the deep file. So alternatively you can reset X amount of Fiasco token to get instant access into the deep file. So deep file is a revolutionary Web3 media platform where you can share or have access to hidden files and information not known to the general public. So now it before it happened. DAO governance. So holding Fiasco token gives you the ability to contribute to the ecosystem decision making by creating a proposal and voting in the upcoming proposal. Let your vote govern the ecosystem using your Fiasco token voting power right here. So here no bullshit. So Fiasco token has a no association with are their creation, the great reset. So this token is simply taking a playful jab at the concept of the great reset. Fiasco token is a meme coin with no intrinsic value or expectations of financial return. So there is no former team and roadmap. It coin is completely useless and for entertainment purpose only. So you can also check out all information here, and the question in our mind you can also get answer like that, what is Fiasco token, and you can also check what is the maximum supply of the token, and they have a maximum of 1 billion supply. You can also check is the liquidity pool locked. Yes, the liquidity pool 100% locked given the community total control. And are they plan to bridge in other chains? Yes, this will happen as we progress. And where can we buy Fiasco? For launch, Fiasco will be listed on Radium and other centralized exchanges. Please follow the announcement channel for listing announcement here. You can also check out their sporting media like their Twin Jaco, Dex Screener, Solana, and Market Watch and Defense. You must be join their community to get latest news and updates as well. So this is the official Telegram channel and group. You must be join this one to get latest news and update related to this amazing project as well. So Fiasco tokens is a decentralized meme token that embodies the whimsically quality of internet culture while taking a playful job at the concept of the great reset. I also recommended to all of you must be follow them on their Twitter account to get latest news and update related to this amazing project. So it will be listed on 15 July 2024 at 6:30 GMT5 as well. So don't miss this golden chance and must be participate when it will be live. And you can also check out more information and tweets related to this amazing project as well. So this is a great opportunity for to all of you. So don't miss this chance and must be participate in it and buy when it will be live. And I hope so you like this video and share with your friends. See you next video. Thanks for watching.